Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Rama Rama Rama. So first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto the spiritual master Nikalila Prishtam Vishnu Path Ashtotra Satyanan Bhakti Vedanta Sarvaman Goswami Maharaj and Nikalila Prishtam Vishnu Path Ashtotra Satyanan Bhakti Vedanta simultaneously offer my humble respectful Buddha of Nikalila Prishtam Vishnu Path Ashtotra Satyanan Bhakti Maharaj, Srila Govinda Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Dr. Sahar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Gambharti Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Goswami and again take all of you as a respected guest. To continue, we will discuss about Raraman Dashamba, the conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Ramananda. According to the requirement of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Ramananda, he gave all the answer to that question. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, is the supreme personality of Godhead, and Bhagavan. And especially for the three reasons, he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sitamanyan Gaudhari, and he took Srimati Radhika's great things. This is called Radhika. He took Srimati two things. Two things. One is called Srimati Radhika's Bhav, and another is called Kanti. Bhav means mood, Kanti means complexion, radiance. Radhika or Bhav Kanti, Yaya Krishna Vatirna Harilan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he appeared in Navadvip Dham. He took Srimati Radhika's mood, complexion. आवाज तो काफी आपने
कैसे कुछ कर रहे हो
okay. So Sarv Damodar in his very clearly explained this Radha Pranay Mahima Kirisovaneva Saddo Jano Advurta Madhurma Kirisova Mahya Sukkansha Mod Anvota Kirisoveti Deva Tad Bhavadda Samajani Sativar Vasindu again and again every day we also recite this verse by Krishna appear in this Kali Yuga in the form of Superman. So Sarvadamodar very clearly explained this verse. What is the glories of Srimati Radhika's divine love towards Krishna? And Krishna is thinking, what is my sweetness, beauty? And only Srimati Radhika she is relishing. Third, when Srimati Radhika relished my this beauty and what kinds of anubhuti feeling and manifested in our heart. And for this regard, Krishna and greed has come and he Srimati Radhika's mood and complexion and manifested in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then we also discuss these things. Anusange Nam Prem Koila Prachar and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He realized these three things and simultaneously he also preached the Nam Prem with everyone. Nam Prem Prachar. This is very important. Nam and Prem. Nam Prem Malagati Yagraila Jagajani. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He also offered the holy names, the garland of the holy names, and also praying to everyone. In this incarnation, Gaura Avatar, he did not discriminate who is qualified and who is unqualified. Jare deke tare den, premo vilaya. This is called Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's magnanimity and our Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He distributed his praise. Jare deke tare den, premo vilaya. Whatever he noticed or looked, and he also distributed his praise. And everybody completely intoxicated that divine love. And also they become the great devotees of Lord. Great devotee of Lord, how every Hari. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad Vidagda Madhava Natagam very clearly explained this part. Not people Charin Chirat Koruna Avatirna Palo Samar Poetu Unnata Ujjala Samabhakti Harihi Putra Sundar Dudi Kadamba Sundir Pita Sada Hiray Kandari Spuratuha Sachinandan. So Sachinandan Gaudhari, he realizes this praying and indiscriminately distributes this praying to everyone. And Brahmane Chandali Hare Kolakari. In this incarnation, no one discriminates their caste and race. Even everybody completely forget their bodily conception. They have, and even the birds, animals, tigers, deer, both they are also and embracing to each other. And the tiger and deer also licking their body to each other. Lion and tiger they also lick the mouth of deer. That means they completely forget their bodily conception and so for this regard, our Vaishnava poet also explains Aviva Vichula who has seen these types of activities of and so now coming in this way, according to the requirement of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Hare Ramananda, he also gave many examples. And ye Krishna Sarup, Radha Sarup, Rasa Sarup, Prema Sarup, and everything he also explained. Even also we discuss the Srimati Radhika's prem is topmost, and Radha prem Sadhu Shiromani. And Premer Sarup Deha Prema Vivahita Krishna Vesi Prestha Jagati Vedita. And Mahasei Mahabhavoy Chintamani Sari Krishna Vancha Puranakari Ekar Jata Mahabhav Chintamani Radhar Sarup ललितादि सकितारे काय विभोर राधापति कृष्ण स्नेह सुगंधि उद्वर्तन ताते सुगंध देह उज्जवल वरण कारुण्यमित धारा स्नान प्रथम कारुण्यमित धारा स्नान मध्यम लावण्यमित धारा तदुपरि स्नान लज्जा श्यामपट्ट साटिपरि द्वितीय अनुराग बसन द्वितीय कृष्ण अनुराग द्वितीय अरुण बसन प्रणयमान पंचलिकाय वक्षाच्छादन सौंदर्य कुमकुम सखी प्रणय चंदन स्मित कांति कर्पूर्ति अंगे विलोकन कृष्णेरुज्ज्वल रस मृगमदमत्त সেই মৃগমদে বিচিত্র কলিব प्रच्छन्नमान धम्म धम्मिल विन्यास धीर अधीरात्म गुणंगे पट्टवास रागतांबुल रागे और उज्जवल मुकुट नेत्र जुबिर बज्जल. We also discussed how Srimati Radhika's fame towards Krishna and also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained the Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pradibha Vistare Yogiya Rupa Taya Kalasi. गोलोक गोलोक एव निवसत अखिल आत्मभूतो गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमोहम. So Srimati Radhika's body, mind, and in his heart completely and exclusively giving pleasure for Krishna. So Srimati Radhika, she is called Mahabhav Chintamani. And one Chintamani can fulfill all the desires. So Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Mahabhav, and that Mahabhav is called the Chintamani, Sar. Chintamani, Sar. Sar means essence, gist. And और कृष्ण वंशा पूर्ण करे एकाग्रता. In this way, Srimati Radhika, she fulfilled all the desires of Krishna. And Srimati Radhika, she also manifested her many expansions that is called her Ashtasakis and Lalita Abhisaka, Sudevi, Rangadevi, and 8 Sakis. And they are called her five roots. Radhapati Krishna's Sugandhi Bhattam, and Krishna's love and affection towards Srimati Radhika as like very sweet and perfume. And that is called Sugandhi Udvartan. Udvartan means one kind of perfume, not generally in India. They use at the time of marriage ceremony. That is called Udvartan. And Udvartan, that perfume, and they also manifest by some kinds of and herbs and and they also mixed also with the purpur, camphor, and chandan, sandalwood paste, and also aburu. Aburu means another kind of liquid perfume. They mixed together and then also used in their body. Then that time the bodily radiance very delightful and attractive. Person in the same way, in Radhapati Krishna Sneha, Sugandhi Utvartan, Krishna's love and affection towards Srimati Radhika, that is called the and very beautiful and attractive liquid perfume that is called Urvarta. তাতে সুগন্ধদেহ উজ্জ্বল বরণ। Then Srimati Radhika's body completely was ujjwal, very beautiful and also radiance and delightfulness come. Karunnamrita Dhara Snana Pratham, Srimati Radhika's first God, that is Karunnamrita. That is Karunnamrita Dhara. Karunna means compassion. Srimati Radhika's first Snan, that is called Karunnamrita Dhara Snan. Actually, this is called Srimati Radhika's and and age, and when she's very small, and that time had so much compassion for the all the living entities. That is called Karunamrita Dharasana. Then second, that is called Lavannamrita Dharasana. That is called Tarunamrita Dharasana. Second, and Tarunamrita Taruna, and youthfulness. And the youthfulness also three types, and it's called Bapta Jovan, and Madhya Jovan, and Purna Jovan. And that time so much beautiful is coming, and Lavannamrita Dhara Taduparasna. And third verse, that is called Lavannamrita Dhara. And that is called, and her beautiful and is coming when she is more young age, youthfulness coming. In Jaina Dharma, this will also explain this Yogan, Bhakta Yogan, and Purna Yogan. Yogan means youth. Youth is coming in three and three stages. And here also some Vaishnavas explain generally ladies and Indian ladies first they take bath and in their house, and then they used to go take bath in the and pond, and third bath they also taking bath in the another place. And so now come in this Nijo Lajja Sam Patto Sati Parihan, and Srimati Radhika, she used her sari, that is called an Patto sari. Patto sari means one kind of very soft sari made by some jute, that is called Patto Sati Parihan. And Nijo Lajja Sam Patto Sati Parihan. Pranayman Panchalika Bakshachadam, and she also covered her chest and with her pranay and man, and deep attachment, and also man, that is called her shyness. Saundarya Kumkum Sakhi Pranaya Chandan, and she used the kumkum and on her chest, that is also very beautiful Saundarya. Sakhi Pranaya Chandan, with the love and affection of the Sakhi, that is called the sandalwood face. Smitakanti Purpur Tin Angi Loka, and very nice, beautiful radiance manifesting in her body, that is also coming from the camphor. And तीन अंगे गुलोपान कृष्णेर उज्ज्वल रस मेघमद भार সেই মেঘমদি বিচিত্র করিবার প্রচ্ছন্ন মান ধম্ম জমিল বিন্যাস ধীর অজরাত্ম গুণ অঙ্গে সত্যবাস রাগ তাম্বুল রাগে অধর উজ্জ্বল প্রেম ও কৌটিল রব নেত্র যুগের প্রজ্জ্বল In this way, Srimati Radhika's beauty manifested and many kinds of his qualities and addition. And Rag Tamrage Adhara Ujjal are lower and upper lips completely in a reddish color with the bitterness that is called Tamul Rag. And Prema Kautilya Netra Jugalir Kajjal, and she also used the kajal on her two eyes. That is called Prema Kautilya. Prema Kautilya means when prem manifests one's heart and automatically create the opposite ways. And opposite way. That is called Yatha Ohi Rego Milo. And that is a Vakrata Bhav. Vakrata Bhav means and what is called Vakra means it is to different way. And that means what Krishna is saying that time Srimati Radhika she gives answer in different way, not direct way. And that is called Vakra Bhav. Because this is the nature of the prem swabhav. And as like snake and walks a zigzagging way, not straight. But one thing, when snake enter in the hole, that time snake become straight. And but when snake walks, that time he also automatically zigzagging a curve. So in the same way, Prem Kotilo Netra Jubilo Kajal, Srimati Radhika, she used the kajal on her eyes, that is called Prem Kotilo. And Suddipta Sakti Bhav Harshadi Sanchari, Esa Bhabusan, Sab Ange Kari. And in this way, Srimati Radhika Sakti Bhav and manifested in her body. And Dhumait, Jalita, Dipta, Udipta, and Udipta. And Dhumait means as look as a smoke. And one or two Sakti Bhav manifest, that is called Dhumait. Dhumait then second Jalita. Jalita means a flame coming and up. That is called Jalit. Then two or three Sattvic Bhav and manifest in his heart. That is called Jalit. Jalit Dipta. When 3 to 4 Sattvic Bhav manifest, that is called Dipta. And more radiance and illuminated are Dipta Suddhi. Dhumai Jalita Dipta Uddipta. And 4 to 5 Sattvic Bhav manifested ones are that is called Uddipta. Then Suddipta Mahabhav. Suddipta Mahabhav and completely absolutely manifest in our heart. That is called when the Sakti Bhav manifested at a time. 8 Sakti Bhav, also Sakti Bhav. This is only Srimati Radhika and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Suddipta Mahabhav. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arrived in Jagannath Puri, And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed, I am Radha. Now, after so long separation, I am going to meet with my beloved Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika, then Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ran towards Chaitanya Jagannath and tried to embrace him. In the meantime, Pujari and Brahmanas of Jagannath and stopped him. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell down and that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and at the time all the Shakti Bhav and Romancha Kompasu, everything is also mentioned. Sarum Bhattacharya he noticed. Then he became very surprised. And because Sarum Bhattacharya he was a great scholar and Vidwan. But he heard the Shastra, but he did not see this types of Shakti Bhav manifested in one's heart. But still Sarum Bhattacharya he did not think Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of Radha and Krishna. So for this, Chaitanya Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained. Dekhilo Vigga Jane er na hoy pratiti. Even the scholars person have seen these types of Sattvic Bhav Vansar, but they have no faith. So Dekhilo Vigga Jane na hoy pratiti. Then Sarvabhattacharya he thinking, and maybe he is a great person, Mahapurush, but he did not think the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the combined form of divine Radha and Krishna. And so now coming here also Kaviraj Goswami explained Suddipta Sattik Bhav Arshadi Sansari. Then A Bhav Hilat Kilikinchit and there is got 20 types of ornaments of Bhushan. Then Esa Bhav Bhushan Sarv Ange Bhari Kilikinchit Adi Bhav Vinsati Bhubhushit Gunasrani Puspamala Sarvange Purito Subhadva Tilak Charu Lalati Ujjwal. And Srimati Radhika, she was also decorated with very nice, beautiful blossoming and blossom and flowers and which made by the garland of Vanisotis. That is called Krishna's different and qualities. That is Gunasrani Puspamala Sarvange Purita. Subhadva Tilak and Srimati Radhika, she also puts the tilak on her forehead. That is called Charu Lalati Ujjwal and Srimati Radhika's forehead lalat, very nice, beautiful, and Charu in a very attractive, Sundarja. Then Prema Vaichitta Ratna Hidaya Taral and Srimati Radhika is also in her Prema Vaichitta Ratna. And for this regard, heart is very soft. Then Madhya Vayas is Kande Karannas and Srimati Radhika, she holds the shoulder of her very nearest Sakhi. So Sakhi is Kande Karannas. Krishna Lila Monovitti Sakhi Aspas. And all the Sakhis, most of the time, they also glorify about Krishna. Nijanga Saurabhalai Garba Parjamka Tati Basiyaji Sada and Chitta Krishna Sangha. And Srimati Radhika, she is always very transcendental, proud in our heart. And that is called Aprahito Garva. And Madamadadi Yovani, Pramadamana Mandite, Riyanuraga Ranjite, Kalavilasa Pandite, Ananadhanna Punja Rajya Kama Keli Kobi, Kada Kari Satyaman, Vipakata Chokadi. Nijanga Sohari, Garba Parjanka, Tate Basi Yachi Sada Chitta Krishna Sangha. Krishnam Gunjas Avatam Sakane, Krishnam Gunjas Pravaha Vachane, Krishna ke karai Samaras Madhupan, Nirantar Purna Kari Krishna Sarvokam. Krishna ke karai Samaras Madhupan. Samaras means Singaras. Sam Singaras iti Vishnu Daivataha. Then according to Vishnu Daivat, that means one great Rasik Acharya. Then he also explained Samaras means that is called Singaras. That means Srimati Radhika. She then fed to Krishna that always that is called Singaras. And so he has to sing in this way. And Krishna ke karai Sam Rosh Madhupan. And Sam Rosh Madhupan. Madhu means honey. And in transcendental word, two kinds of sneha. One is called Hitasneha, another is called Madhus. And Hitasneha, the love and affection as like heat. Or Madhusneha, the love and affection is as like honey. And Madhusneha and Hitasneha. And Chandravalis and her bodies, their love and affection towards Krishna. That is called Hitasneha. Srimati Radhika, her love and affection to Krishna, that is called Madhus. Ghee has no own taste. When you use the many kinds of ingredients, that time his taste has come. And if you mix the ghee, actually you cannot get any taste. But same ghee, you put um, some ingredients such as um, sugar, little camphor, and the different ingredients, and then you put, then that time you will taste it, and some lemon juice also give it, and नींबू के रस 2 बूंद डालना पड़ता है. Give some sugar and put some also then salt, lemon juice, then, okay? And mix together, and so kali marich, black pepper, and mix together. Then you can let the ghee tasting. That means he has no own taste. It's Madhusneha, this love and affection. Srimati Radhika, love and affection towards Krishna as like Madhus. Madhu means honey. Honey has own taste. And honey has own taste. No need to mix any kinds of ingredients. And this is also in this sense. For this regard, Srimati Radhika's and her love and affection towards Krishna, that is called Madhusna. Madhusna. And he has one qualification that is called, in the winter time he will be become solid, or in summer time he automatically what melt. But honey, summer and cold, there's a new development. And staying same. That means is what? When Krishna he used many very sweet words, eh? Charming words, then Chandravuli's heart melted. Eh? Because Chandravuli's mood is called Dakshinna Bhav towards Krishna. And Srimati Radhika's and Vamma Bhav, left means eh? And so this is also one thing. And because this Vamota, left means mood, this is called one of the special and weakness of the ladies how to control and are. For this regard, Parakya Bhav, the four weapons, they also control the blood or the core. याद है चार वस्तु के द्वारा ये स्त्रियां जो है अपने प्रियतम के जो है वशीभूत कर बामोता लेफ्ट स्मूथ इसके बाद प्रचन्न कामुकता and hidden and lust और ब्रह्मता प्रचन्न कामुकता निवारणता and nivaranata means that is called the many kinds of forbiddings and प्रचन्न कामुकता निवारणता and another अच्छा निवारणता प्रचन्न कामुकता हो गया और एक कहाँ रह गया मिल गया
Haribo, Gurudev.
हाँ who in this way Srimati Radhikas are Brahma Bhav understand and also Durlabhata Durlabhata means Durlabh very very rare कबू मिले कबू ना मिले दही बेरे घटा आमियो ना जानी जाना जाने गोपी गौन दुहार रुपए गुने दुहार हरि मन यही दुर्लभता है and not so easy to Krishna meets with the gopi and gopi is not so very easy to meet with Krishna. Krishna is always hankari how to meet with the gopi and gopis they also hankari how to meet Krishna but not so easy and दुर्लभता है इसी प्रकार कबू मिले कबू ना मिले दही बेरे घटा योग माया करिबे अपना प्रभावी आमियो ना जाने गोपीगण दुहार रूपे गुणे दुहार हरि मोर so in this way just we also mention how both are meeting together and very very rare the love so I am saying this because before we also in this class we also explain Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami and explain if Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna is saying this verse जे वैकुंठा आदि नहीं वैकुंठा आदि जे लीला प्रचार से शुक्ला करियो जाते मोर चमत्कार so these types of parakshita bhav not in Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwarka and Mathura. Only Guru Vrindavan. Then one day I told Vaikuntha Santa Prahan Dasya. Then Vaikuntha that is called Santa Prahan. Santa that is called neutral mode and that prominent. And Dasya that is secondary. Ayodhya Dasya Pradhan Santa. And Dasya is there in Ayodhya, but there Dasya, servicial mood, mixed with opulence. For this regard, Ayodhya is called Dasya Pradhan Santa. Dwarka, Dasya Sakha Vatsalya is there, but everything is completely mixed with opulence. And Vrindavan only Madhurya Bhav, sweetness mode is there. And even in Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya, and Suddha Sakha only Golo Vrindavan. Suddha Vatsalya only Golo Vrindavan. Or Suddha Madhurya and Golo Vrindavan. This Madhurya, sweetness mode and, and also in Parakya Bhav. So for this regard, he had explained Vaikuntha Adi Nai Lila Prachar and Sisav Lila Kariva Jati Murcham. And Krishna is thinking, when I will preach this Lila, then my heart will be overjoyed. And actually in Golok Vrindavan, this Lila is eternal and transcendental. Because Golok Vrindavan, there are Parakya Bhav, eternal and transcendental. And when Krishna, he manifested from Golok Vrindavan to the Bhoma Vrindavan, and then everybody can see. For this regard, he is Braje Nirmal Brag Suni Bhaktavan Rag Margi Bhakta Janam Chari Dharma. And so Braje Nirmal Rag, Brajavasi, how they are Nirmal Rag, how they has continuous love and affection with Krishna. And then Rag Margi Bhaje Janam Chari Dharma. When there's continuous love and affection come, then they will that time they will completely give up all kinds of rules and regulations. So he has also explained in this way. Anugrahaya bhaktanang manusang dehamasritah ajati tadrisa kida jasutva tatparo bhavit. Anugrahaya bhaktanang manusang dehamasritah. Krishna is very merciful and compassionate to all the living entities. For this regard, which is own associates Parikar and Leela and Dham manifested in the Bhuma Vrindavan. And this is called Krishna's Anugraha. Anugraha means mercy. And Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manusam Devamasita. And he performs all his Leela as a human being and Manusya Leela. And Bhajate Tadisha Pira Jasutva Tatpro Bhavet. And one who listens this katha, and that means those who are qualified persons, they listen this katha and absorb this lila, then they will attain the abode of love. And what here Srimad Bhagavatam Sukdev Goswami Pad explained, everybody have to listen. Because here used this word, Bhajate Tadisha Kira Jashtva Tatpuru Bhavit. Tatpuru Bhavit. Here Krishnadas Kaviraj again also clearly explained, and Bhavit means Bhavit Kriya Vidiling say Iha Pai Avasya Kartabya Ya Annatha Prattavai. Then Bhavit means have to listen, Vidiling. You have to listen. And other if you not listen, then Prattava is called offense. And এই বাঞ্ছা হইতে কৃষ্ণ কাকট্য কারণ অসুর সংহার আনুষঙ্গ প্রয়োজন এই মত চৈতন্য কৃষ্ণ পূর্ণ ভগবান যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তন নহে তার কাম কোন কারণে যবে হইল অবতারের মন যুগ ধর্ম কাল হইল সে কালে মিলন এই দুই অবতারী লয়া ভক্তগণ আপনে আসাদে প্রেম নাম সংকীর্তন সেই দ্বারে আচন্ডালে কীর্তন সঞ্চারে নাম প্রেম মালাগতি পরাইল সংসারে এই মত ভক্ত ভাব করি অঙ্গীকার আপনি আচার্য ভক্তি করিল প্রচার in this way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he distributed this blame to everybody and naam prem malagati parailo samsari and he distributed this naam prem to everybody and he released and then he distributed সেই দ্বারে আচন্ডালে কীর্তন সঞ্চারে in this way he also made kirtan and in the heart of all the fallen living entities fallen souls सबके कीर्तन में मुक्त कर दिया সেই দ্বারে আচন্দালে কীর্তন সঞ্চারে নাম প্রেম মালা গাথি পরাইল সংসারে। এই এই মতো ভক্ত ভাব করি অঙ্গীকার, আপনি আচরি ভক্তি করিল প্রচার। দাস সক্ষ বাৎসল্য আর যে সিঙ্গার, চারি প্রেম চতুর্বিধ ভক্ত আধার। নিজ নিজ ভাব শ্রেষ্ঠ করি মানে, নিজ ভাবে করে কৃষ্ণ সুবাস্বাদনে। তটস্থ হইয়া হৃদয় বিচার করি করি, অতএব মধুর রস কহি নাম তার। তটস্থ হইয়া যদি বিচার যদি করি, সব রস হইতে সিঙ্গারে অধিক মাধুরী। When you discuss this tattva vichar, rasa vichar, in neutral, then you can see singaras, that is conjugal mood, the topmost. And the face of Rasite Singari Odhikamahari. And Jatha Uttama also sadhu Vishesam Ullasa Mai Opi. Ratir Pasana Sabdi Bhasati Kapi Kachit Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad quoted this verse. Ullasmai Rati. Ullasmai, so much jubilant and Ananda. That Rati manifests one's heart. That is only coming from Madhura. Understand? অতে মধুরস করি নাম তার, সকিয়া পরকিয়া রসি দ্বিবিধ সংস্থান। Then Madhuras you can divide it into Sokya and Parakya. Then Sokya means the mood of marriage, wife and husband. Parakya, that is called mood of Paramurma. Parakya. And Parakya Bhavirati, Parakya Bhavirati Rasir Ullas. Brajbina ya nahi annatra vas. This Parakya Ras only Braj Vrindavan. So for this regard, again explain, যে বৈকুণ্ঠ আদি নাই যে সব লীলার প্রচার, সেই লীলা করবে যাতে মোর চমৎকার। বৈকুণ্ঠ অযোধ্যা দ্বারকা, not this types of Parakya Bhav, Gopi's Parakya Bhav. Only Braj. Brahmanandi Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai Jai Shri Ram.